His TikTok account is raking in $5,000 a month with simple AI-generated videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same with just a few easy steps. Stick around to learn how to turn your TikTok into a money-making machine. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like and follow button and stick around till the end to unlock all the secrets. So, how much can you actually earn with the TikTok Creator Rewards program? It varies, but some creators are making as much as $50,000 a month, since 1,000 views is $1. Creating a viral video for TikTok is not as hard as you might think. Just imagine how much it would change your life if you hit just a single video per month with 1M views. You can even go the next step and upload 3 videos per day, which means 90 videos per month. I have experienced that in general. Every 15th video goes viral. There are even more ways to make money with TikTok, and there are even some ways with as low as 0 followers. Now, let's talk about what niches are going viral right now. One hot trend is the texting story niche. These simple yet engaging videos are blowing up on TikTok. Want to dive deeper? Check out my premium membership, where I have in-depth tutorials on how to create these videos and start monetizing before you even hit 10K followers. But it has a downside. You need to be eligible for the Creator Rewards program to make money from TikTok itself and get the $1 RPM. To be eligible for the TikTok Creator Rewards program, you need at least 10,000 followers, be in one of the supported countries, and have at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Don't worry if you're not living in one of the countries. A good friend of mine sells US accounts for sale. You can just go ahead and buy one from him. You'll save 20% with my code EarningsEmpire20. But now let's move on to the content creation. As I said, we're going with text story niche for today's video. Wondering how to create these types of videos using AI? It's simpler than you think. With the right tools, you can generate engaging content without showing your face. Stay tuned for a detailed tutorial on this. You find the links for all tools used in my description or on my free Discord community. For the texting story niche, we will process with an AI tool called VSub. Visit their website and create a free account. But the quality with the free plan lags a bit, so I would recommend buying a paid plan. With the link in my description, you save 20%. Hit the text stories niche button and follow my steps. Next step is researching a viral video in this niche, which is going viral right now. Just search up text story on your iPhone and filter for most engagement. And last 7 days, copy the link from a video you like and paste it in the script generator and hit generate. Now just wait a few seconds and use this script. You can enhance it if you'd like to, but we will go with this one for example purposes. When done, just click the create video button and wait a few seconds. Now you can add sound effects and edit the speech speed and volume, add background music and so on, but I recommend not using their background or music. Done with editing sound effects, download the video with green screen. Now go ahead and download Subway Surfers on your phone and screen record it. Drag the assets into a editing software like CapCut and cut out parts where you lost and cut out the ending. Now just render it in 60 FPS and 1080p and upload it on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Remember to upload to TikTok first since their unoriginal strikes are more strict. Choose 4-7 hashtags matching your niche. Only use one broad hashtag like for Upage or something like that, and the others should be smaller. Otherwise the algorithm is confused and the video is not getting pushed that much. Then repeat as often as you want and see the followers and money roll in. For more in-depth information and sauce on how to monetize below 10K followers, join my Discord with the link in the description. Thanks for watching my first video. Write me some suggestions in the comments so I can go ahead and enhance my videos for you, or drop some comments what you want to see next video. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss anything and check out the first link in the description for my premium membership. See you in the next video.